Alright, so the third test and the hardest test to score is actually the heating of solid samples. Alright, so now what are the things that you need to take note of when you are heating a solid sample is to take note of the appearance of the solid before you heat. So in this case, it is a white powder. Appearance meaning the color as well as whether it is in crystal form or powder form. Alright, so when you have already taken note of the appearance before heating, okay, you also need to anticipate what type of gases or what gases could be formed during the reaction, okay, during heating, so that you can prepare the necessary materials. So in this case, I prepared lime water because it could be a carbonate. Alright, so now that we heat the sample, make sure to swirl the boiling tube or move from left to right to prevent or to avoid localized heating. Okay, so also observe the appearance of the solid while you are heating, whether there's any changes of state. So in this case, it still remains in powder form. And if you realize the lime water on the left, on my left, has turned cloudy, but this observation is not accepted for O levels, you should mention that a white precipitate is observed. So this indicates that carbon dioxide has been produced. Now, during heating, please be careful. When you want to remove it from the flame, you should actually remove the lime water first. Alright? Okay. So this is to prevent the lime water from getting sucked back into the boiling tube. Alright? So as you can also see, the white solid, right? The appearance initially was a white solid. After heating, it has turned yellow. So you should observe the appearance of the solid when it is hot. Okay, so I believe that the heating is completed. So we remove from heat. Okay, so now this is a yellow solid. What you need to do is leave it alone. Do not touch the boiling tube when it is hot, because you will suffer from a burn injury. Okay, and before you submit your paper, check on the boiling tube to see what is the appearance. So as you can see, the bright yellow solid, it has started to fade, and eventually when it is cooled down, it will appear white. Okay, but please also remember, do not touch the hot boiling tube, just leave it in the test tube holder.